Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's problem is about creating a new column, and I am going to solve this problem using Python. Here the given information is that the company plans to provide its employees with a bonus, and here we need to write the solution to create a new column named bonus that contains the double values of the salary column, and the result format is in the following example. So let's try to execute the code. Here we need to create new column named bonus, and here we need to double the values of salary column and return whole data frame. So let's try to execute the code. Let's check if the code passes all the test cases. Here we have successfully submitted our code. If you are satisfied with my approach, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.